Update, we're about 60 miles down the road. It is profusely leaking oil. I don't know if you can see it, but all those little specks are oil. It's fine. It's just a little oily. You can see our footprints we're leaving in the oil. But look at my windshield. It was completely clean before we started the trip, and now it is covered in oil. So we got some gear oil, we got some diesel oil, and we are just stopping every 30 minutes to add oil. And it's chugging along. Look at the beating. There's so much oil, it's beating up on it. We haven't even made it out of Oklahoma. We've gone like 60 miles. This is great.
I feel bad for the next guy that has to use the squeegee.
How you doing, Caleb? Are you having a good time?
This is fun.
It is fun, dude. It is so fun.
Oh, no, I didn't say fun.
You said fucked. You said fucked. I turned it into fun. I think it's fun.
Here, catch.
Are you having fun?
Having something.
Is it suicidal thoughts?
If you were a loved one, it said that suicidal thoughts are tendencies in the life.
You can't say we're not having a good time. Following Caleb. We're in like the middle of nowhere, Oklahoma, 230 miles till we get home. And there it is, chugging along. Status update. We are almost to the border of Texas. And
I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
Caleb is cleaning the oil off of his rear window aggressively. How's it going?
I can't see fucking shit out of that thing.
But since there's oil everywhere, we wiped up a little bit and wiped it on the carbon fiber, and it looks a little bit better. So that's a win. It was basically out of oil this time, but it's fine. We waited just the right amount, so we added our nice little mix of diesel oil and gear oil, and she's ready to go again. Look at this great car. Got our jugs of oil and the ECU sitting in our floorboard. Very happy with it. Are you happy with it, Caleb? Carbon fiber.
I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
Carbon.
At least now I'll be able to see for the next 5 miles.
What about me, dude? I'm just as bad, if not worse.
I know.
No ticket. All right, yet another stop, and you know we had to stop at Buc-ee's on sheer determination and Honda engineering. I don't know how, but this
running based on spike.
It,
solely on spike.
It is making it, dude. It's foggy as hell. Somebody's pulled over there. You can't see anything, but somehow it manages. A little EK that could. If any of y'all have any name ideas, please let me know. We're trying to figure out a good name for it.
I'm thinking fucking Dynamite Bitch.
I don't like Dynamite Bitch. That's a bad name. But we'll figure something out. Just to show you how much oil that thing is leaking. We've already gone through 2 entire gallons plus another quart. But my car, right? Take a look at the headlights. That's oil dripping off of there. That's completely covered. Look, there's marks of oil on the front of my car. It's all bubbly. That's crazy. Look at the mirror.
What it is. Grandma's bacon pan.
It looks like a used bacon pan. It really does. And obviously my windshield that's been cleaned 87 times, but that's insane. Look at the splitter.
Bro.
You can see where the aerodynamics be aerodynamicing.
Yeah, you can.
That's wild. So Caleb and I actually came up with a name. We're still taking suggestions, but I think we're pretty set on the name because of its just chronic oil addiction. What have we named it, Caleb?
OPEC, maybe even possibly CAO or COA, chronic oil addiction.
This is certainly a car. We are great. We have a car with an oil addiction, but we are great. We've already gone through 2 gallons plus a quart, and we've still got 130 miles back. We're only a little over halfway.